Creating a subdomain in Cloudways is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Cloudways. Sign into your Cloudways account. Select your server. Navigate to the Servers tab and select the server where your application is hosted. Access Application Management. Click on the Applications tab and select the application to which you want to add the subdomain. Add subdomain. Go to the Domain Management section for your application. In the Add Domain field, enter the subdomain name. Ensure you include the full subdomain prefix. Update DNS records. Access your domain register's control panel. Add a new A record for your subdomain, pointing to the IP address of your Cloudways server. For example, set subdomain.example.com to point to the server's IP. Verify and apply changes. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate. Once the DNS has updated, ensure the subdomain is correctly listed in Domain Management on Cloudways. Configure SSL. If you want to secure the subdomain, navigate to SSL Management and set up an SSL certificate for it.